Welcome back to part 2 of our IELTS Writing Task 2 guide on writing an argumentative essay. In this part, I will walk you through how to write the body paragraphs and conclusion. Use a clear and cohesive language and avoid common pitfalls. Without further ado, let's pick up right where we left off. In body paragraph 1, discuss the first viewpoint using examples and supporting evidence to back it up. Don't just write chaotically. Use this plan instead to make it easier. Topic sentence, supporting evidence, analysis, example. So, in topic sentence, start with a clear topic sentence that outlines the main idea of the paragraph. Supporting evidence, give examples, facts, or reasons to support the argument. Analysis, explain why this viewpoint is valid or reasonable. Then give an example. For example, on one hand, some people argue that children should start school at the age of 5 because this is when they are at a critical stage of cognitive development. At this age, children are more receptive to learning new languages and concepts. For example, children in countries like Japan and Sweden begin formal education at age of 5 and tend to perform well academically. Proponents of early education also claim that starting school at an earlier age can help children build social skills and integrate better into society. Body paragraph 2, discuss the opposite viewpoint, again providing examples and analysis. Topic sentence, present the opposing viewpoint in a clear and concise manner. Supporting evidence, offer examples and reasoning to explain why this viewpoint has merit. Analysis, discuss the potential drawbacks of the first viewpoint and the benefits of the second. For example, on the other hand, many believe that 7 is the ideal age for children to begin their formal education. They argue that children at this age are better prepared both emotionally and mentally for the challenges of school. For instance, research has shown that children who start school later tend to have higher levels of academic achievement and lower levels of stress. Moreover, delaying formal education allows children to enjoy their early childhood and develop creativity through play and exploration, which can foster a love of learning later on. After finishing with the body paragraphs, we should move on to the conclusion, which is one of the most important parts of any essay. In the conclusion, summarize the arguments from both sides if it's a discussion question, and then state your opinion clearly. Avoid introducing new information in the conclusion. Just briefly summarize the main points and reinforce your stance. For example, in conclusion, while both arguments have merit, I believe that children should start formal education at the age of 7. This allows them to mature both emotionally and intellectually, ensuring a smoother transition into the academic world. Delaying formal education offers children the opportunity to develop their social and creative skills before facing the structured demands of school. And now it's the language turn. To achieve a high band score, you need to demonstrate cohesion and coherence in your writing. Use linking words to connect ideas and ensure your essay flows logically. For contrast, use words like However, on the other hand, or in contrast. And for giving examples, use words like for example, for instance, or such as. For showing cause and effect, use words like therefore, as a result, or because of this. For adding points, use words like furthermore, in addition, or moreover. Using these words shows the examiner that your ideas are organized and that you are able to use advanced words that make it easier for the reader to understand the sequence of ideas, which is very important because you're writing for people to read and understand your debate. You are not writing for yourself in the exam, so you need to practice to make your essay organized and easy to understand. Before you submit your essay, take a minute to proofread your work and check for grammar and spelling errors, sentence structure, ensure variety, logical flow of ideas, clear and precise language. Some students overuse the sophisticated words, so please avoid using overly complex words or sentences. Clear and simple writing is often more effective in conveying your message. An argumentative essay where you discuss both sides differs from other types of Task 2 questions. So, you need to understand what to do with every type. In opinion questions, you are asked to choose a side and defend it without discussing the opposite viewpoint. In problem solution questions, you need to identify problems and propose solutions without discussing multiple sides of an issue. And in discussion questions, you are required to discuss two viewpoints, but there is no need to give your opinion. For example, comparison with problem solution question. Unlike an argumentative essay, which requires you to discuss both sides and then take a stance, a problem solution essay asks you to first identify the issue, then propose solutions and explain their effectiveness. That's a wrap on this video. I hope you now feel more confident in approaching IELTS Writing Task 2 essays, especially the argumentative ones. Remember, with proper planning, strong examples, and clear structure, you can achieve a high score easily. And I will upload more videos about every question type to help you understand more and achieve higher. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the Notebook Learn channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. I love to see your own practice essays and give you feedback. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video with more tips and examples.